April 8th from the American Heart Association, Central, the Tampa Tribune, TVO.com, and News Channel 8.
If the Outback Steakhouse Pro-Am is just a regular golf tournament, well, think again. Celebrities. Outback food and first-class hospitality. Exciting competition. Come join the fun this April 13th through the 19th at TPC Tampa Bay. For tickets, call 813-265-BALL or visit Outback.